Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make multigrain dosa. So for this you need 1 cup green grams, 1 cup of urad dal and 1 cup of cowpea and 1 cup of flaxseeds. Next you have to add water and rinse it until the water becomes clearer. Then you have to add oats to this. You may use instant, rolled or steel cut oats. Here I am using rolled oats. Now you have to mix it with the water and leave it to soak overnight. The grains will absorb lot of water, so it's always preferred to add 2 more cups of water to this and transfer this mixture into a larger vessel before soaking it overnight. So now our grains are gonna look like this after soaking for 6 to 8 hours. Now it's time to make a smooth batter. Yeah, now you can transfer the soaked grains little by little to the mixer jar and grind it into a smooth batter. The batter is gonna look like this after grinding. It is fluffy and ready. This portion of batter is to be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Multigrain dosas are my go-to breakfast. They are very filling and very healthy. Storing this multigrain dosa batter in the refrigerator will help you to eat healthy whenever you're hungry. Take 2 ladles of this mixture in a vessel and add water to loosen it. Mix it until you get a smooth flowing batter. Next add salt of your choice. Here I am using pink Himalayan salt and combine it with the batter. This is not a fermented batter, so we are adding a teaspoon of baking soda to make the batter fluffy. When you make multigrain dosa, the grains, millets, beans that you choose to add as ingredients are to your preference. You can add any beans according to your health condition. Heat the pan and add a ladle of prepared batter. Cook it in low flame until it turns crispy. You may add sesame oil, ghee, or olive oil to the corners for an extra flavor. This crispy, flavorful multigrain dosa can be eaten with a side dish of your choice. As much healthier option, you can eat it with salads, chutney, hummus, or even any curries of your choice. But make it healthy. So guys, I hope you all would try this recipe at home. It's a great pleasure to be back in YouTube after a long break. Try out the recipes and tag me in your posts. I would love to know your feedbacks. Stay safe and stay healthy. If this recipe is useful, please drop a like and a comment.